Hello guys, so today's episode we have a 90 seconds tutorial regarding the Saramonic Blink, and let's start the 90 seconds tutorial guys. First, you make sure that you charge already your microphone or the transmitter, and of course you have your pin and again your receiver, either iPhone or Android. Same procedure guys. So again, make sure first you should connect your receiver to the camera. But for the first time, it's not blinking totally guys, it's 0. That's the time that you will make a pair. Just put your pin onto this pair hole, this side, then yeah, just hold to a seconds, then open your transmitter, then it will automatic pair guys. It's solid blue. After that solid blue, then you're good to go and you can start taking videos with your audio and using the microphone. So again guys, this is the 90 seconds video. I hope you learned something at how to connect to the Saramonic Blink into your mobile. Not only the Saramonic, this B5, also for Android or iPhone device. So again guys,